Hello, good people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this video. If you watched my last video, you know I got my hair pressed out, and as y'all can see, it's doing all right. It's not really, I mean, we knew it wasn't gonna last, but I just been putting it back. I mean, it's still more manageable than the curls. But today I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day. If you've made it this far, you saw me cook the other day. So I'm going to show you guys a full day, what I eat, how I've been getting my health back in check, because it's been a little raunchy. But yeah, so I'm going to show you guys what I eat in a day. Obviously, I'm about to go to the gym. It is 5:55 a.m. and I am very, very, very excited for today's workout. I'm doing a full body workout, which I have not done in a while because I've just been so focused on training for the marathon, which I am running 4 miles at some point today. So yeah, we're about to go to the gym. Today's gym fit, I have on Gymshark leggings, the crossover. This is my first time wearing these. They're really cute. They fit me well. Size medium. No, this is not sponsored. And the Gymshark bra. I really like their clothes. Like, I really like the material. So yeah, Gymshark. We are getting ready for the gym. I'm about to do my devotional and get ready to go. So I made me a cup of coffee. I don't drink coffee every morning before the gym, but I have been drinking energy drinks every now and then. No particular reason. I just sometimes like a good Celsius. And I've been working out with one of my clients, and she drinks them. So pretty much today's me and her workout. I've had an energy drink. I also have half a banana. I am hungry because last night I stopped eating like at 6:30 p.m. I was not feeling well yesterday, so I went to bed pretty early. So low-key, I am hungry and I needed something before I do this full body workout because I'm trying 2 new things today. And then, like I said, I have to run, or I get to run 4 miles, which will take me like 40 minutes, 45 minutes. But I'm doing that later today. I'm gonna work out, come home, eat, do some work, and then probably go do the 4 miles. Definitely want to make sure I have some carbs. So obviously my breakfast is gonna have carbs, but for now, have a banana and a coffee. I'm not gonna drink this whole thing though. I'm sure my boyfriend is gonna harass me for some. Watch your love for like it. Why not more your body, chocolate. Go share it. So for breakfast, we have some oatmeal with brown sugar, cinnamon, peanut butter powder, almond milk. And I put berries and bananas on top. And then we have eggs with turkey sausage. So in the eggs, I put salt, garlic powder, there's spinach, I put a little bit of shredded cheese. And I don't know if y'all noticed, but I like my eggs like almost done. Like I like them to be a little bit more, I don't want to say runnery, but I don't know what they call it. I know it's like sunny side up and stuff like that, but I don't know the word for how I like my eggs, but I don't like them all the way done. I like them to be a little bit more moist. So for breakfast, I have protein, healthy fats, peanut butter powder in the eggs. I have some spinach, and then I also have my carbs because it is 9:16. I'm gonna go run 4 miles around 11-ish. So yeah, I'm gonna eat breakfast, chill, do some work, and then I'm going to go for my 4 miles, and then I'm gonna have lunch. Sorry y'all, I'm trying not to show y'all too much with my bonnet on, but I have to wrap my hair up when I'm not out. But this is the pasta that I made 2 days ago. It's penne, protein noodles, chicken, spinach, tomato sauce, tomato paste, and some Italian seasoning, salt, pepper. Really delicious, so easy to make. I loved it. It also has Parmesan cheese in it. And then we have a plain old salad with some greens and some avocado, Greek yogurt. Honestly, y'all, I really was contemplating going to Publix and getting me a wrap because I love their wraps. But I'm like, no, stick to the plan. So I'm going to eat this and then just going to chill out for a bit before I do more work. Can I get pico? Corn, a little shredded cheese, guacamole, and a little lettuce. Can we do the red salsa on the side? So as y'all can see, for dinner tonight, I'm having a Chipotle bowl. This is very realistic for me to eat Chipotle on a Wednesday night. The only thing is I'm not getting any, I didn't get any chips because I'm not eating any junk food. The chips are considered junk food to me. And I don't get as much rice and beans. I always tell them to do a little bit. Only thing about Chipotle is that it does have a lot of sodium in it. So I know I'm going to be very bloated tomorrow. But it's fine. It's just once. I haven't had Chipotle in like 2 or 3 weeks. So yeah. This is my dinner. And you guys saw earlier that I had cereal for snack. That was my first time trying that. I really wanted something sweet, but I didn't want to eat any junk food. So I was like, you know what? What's something else? And I was like, okay, I got some cereal, the Premier Protein cereal, because you know I drink the Premier Protein shakes. But I usually get chocolate. They didn't have chocolate. So I got this one, which is mixed berry. Mixed berry almond cereal. And I had it with some almond milk. It was okay. It was a little too berry. Like, I took the raspberries out because I just didn't want that in there because they were dried and I just don't like dried fruit. It was okay. I'm gonna rate it like a 6 or 7 out of 10 because it's not sweet, and that's a problem. I always want something sweet, so I'm glad it wasn't sweet, because if it was, I'm pretty sure I would have came back for another bowl, and I didn't. So we're gonna stick to that. 20 grams of protein in 1 cup. Like, that is amazing. So yeah, that was my snack, and then my dinner is Chipotle, and then I'm going to do a little bit more work, and then I'm going to bed. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some meal ideas, some high protein meal ideas. This is high in protein. It has fats, it has carbs, and it has some veggies. I got guacamole on there, so my healthy fats. Tomatoes, salsa, corn, all the things. So yeah, Chipotle bowl, and I'm excited. I'm about to eat this and watch a little bit of TV, which is not a good habit to have, but it's fine. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Please look forward to more content all month of December. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.